First step. Setting up your camera and lighting. Flip your guest plan so the window light is confronting you. Check the lighting circumstance in the room where you generally go to your Zoom gatherings. Is it accurate to say that you are confronting the window, or is your back to it? At whatever point conceivable, attempt to switch your arrangement with the goal that you're confronting the window head-on. This gives you a great deal of normal light, and will assist you with looking extremely sharp on camera. On the off chance that your back is to the window, the daylight could make your video look particularly brutal. Spot a light straightforwardly behind your PC in case you're not close to a window. Try not to stress if your home doesn't have a great deal of regular light. Do as well as can be expected with what you have, and set up a work area light behind your PC or tablet. This will assist you with remaining lit up on camera without overpowering some other individuals from the video call. A littler light works best for this. Focus your camera along your hairline. Line up your PC, tablet, or telephone camera so it's generally in accordance with your hairline. On the off chance that the camera is excessively low, you won't show an extremely complimenting perspective to different individuals from the call. Rather, stack books or other strong things underneath your webcam or tablet until your camera is marginally above eye level. On the off chance that your camera is excessively low, it might seem as though you have a twofold jawline to the camera. Seat yourself before a plain foundation. Discover a space in your room that doesn't have a great deal of interruptions, similar to heaps of paper of other garbage. Instead, attempt to outline yourself. Before a plain divider with negligible workmanship, or something straightforward, similar to a bookshelf. Basic foundations will enable you to look much increasingly proficient on camera. For example, attempt to set up your camera before a plain divider with no significant interruptions, similar to a TV. Sit at any rate in a careful distance behind the camera. Remember that a great deal of cameras have a wide edge focal point, which isn't complimenting when you're sitting very close. Rather, back yourself up from the camera so your whole face is caught on screen. Ideally, you need to keep yourself focused before the camera without being also zoomed in. Set a custom foundation if your space is jumbled. Visit the Settings area of your Zoom program and tap or snap on Virtual Background. Pick out one of the non-exclusive stock photographs offered by Zoom, or transfer your own image to use as a foundation. Eventually, pick an image that upgrades your video without being a distraction. For example, you can choose an image from a family excursion, or whatever other decent photograph that you think would function admirably as a foundation. A foundation image of a nursery or park would be a superior foundation than a packed seashore or another bustling photograph. 2. Step. Checking your appearance. Prepare dressed and for the day like you generally would. Follow your morning normal like you're going to an in-person meeting. Scrub down and get wearing an outfit that you'd wear for work. Similar to a decent pullover, polo shirt, dress shirt, or coat. Maintain a strategic distance from the impulse to remain in your nightgown throughout the day, as agreeable as they might be. They won't look proficient for your Zoom call. You don't need to get totally spruced up. What makes a difference most is that you're dressed expertly from the abdomen up, where individuals will see you. Wear shirts with splendid, strong hues that appear well on camera. Quest through your storage room for a decent-looking shirt that is a striking, strong shading, similar to blue, red, green, greenish blue, or something different. Keep away from garments that are extremely dim, similar to dark, or have a ton of out-of-control designs, similar to zebra stripes or flower structures. These don't appear well on camera, and won't make you look very sharp. For example, a dark shirt or panther print pullover won't look complimenting on camera. Smudge away any oil so you don't look sweat-soaked. Get a sheet of smearing paper and absorb any damp with sweat segments of your skin. Attempt to blotch away however much perspiration as could reasonably be expected so your composition doesn't look sparkly during the call. You can discover blotching paper on the web or at most stores that sell excellence items. Indeed, even out your appearance with a colored cream on the off chance that you'd like. Rub a pea-sized measure of lotion over your cheeks, temple, nose, or wherever where your skin looks lopsided. Watch that the item is altogether focused on before your video call begins, so you look as expert as possible. You can get colored cream from your nearby Excellence shop or medication store. Powder your face to forestall any undeniable perspiration. Discover a setting powder that coordinates your skin tone, so your appearance watches offset. Pat the powder all over your cheeks, jawline, temple, nose, or any region that looks particularly damp with sweat or wet. For a truly smooth look, apply the powder with a huge powder brush. You can discover setting powder at your nearby drugstore or magnificence shop. Powder is an incredible answer for anybody, regardless of whether you don't wear cosmetics as a rule. Swipe on some lip ointment if your lips are dried out. Lick your lips to check whether they feel dry and dried out. In the event that your lips are looking somewhat worn out, apply a layer of lip emollient before you join your video call. On the off chance that you'd prefer to look extra tasteful, swipe on some lipstick or lip gleam too. Select the Finish Up My Appearance setting on Zoom for a simple alternative. Tap or snap on the Settings menu on your Zoom program. Select the Video settings, and afterward pick the Finish Up My Appearance button. This component smooths out any conspicuous imperfections or checks, and helps include an additional layer of clean to your appearance. This is an extraordinary choice in case you're in a surge and don't have the opportunity to apply any cosmetics. Review your appearance before you go live. Flip your settings so the Zoom interface shows you a little C video before sending you into a call. Now, take a couple of moments to ensure your outfit looks great and your appearance looks sharp. In case you're discontent with your outfit, you can pause for a moment or two to make the fundamental changes before you join. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.